So today we're going to be making some slime, and it might not work because I haven't tried it yet. But if you're wondering why I have this nice light on me, I just got this new light. I really like it because watch. See? So I really like it, and it's not really like one of those lights that's in my face. Maybe let me check. See, you can kind of see my face, but I'm not really directly looking at the light. I'm so itchy today. So it's been a little bit, it's been 36 seconds you guys have been waiting, so let's actually do this. So I'm going to put some cornstarch. I'm going to first add some shampoo. It could be any shampoo. I'm using Nexus, because that's like the shampoo I have. It's really expensive, so I know I'm going to have to use a lot. I don't really want to. That's it. That's too much. And then I got some more shampoo right here to equal it out. Oh my God, Jesus. Sounds like a personal problem right there. Way too much. Guys, so doesn't really smell the best, but yeah, it's because it's in high quality quantities. I'm gonna call this fluffy slime. It's actually working, and it's very fluffy. Just saying. Bella probably wishes she was here right now, but no, she's not here right now. Sorry, Bella. I had to do this about you. I know I'm so horrible. Now this is gonna have to work because I don't have no more cornstarch. Okay, so guys, so it worked. Here is slime. It's really dense. It's not supposed to be this dense, so I'm gonna go see if I have any more cornstarch. If I can get if I can get this off, that'd be nice. Really sticky, let me tell you. I'll be right back and see if I have any more cornstarch. Jesus, I can't pause the camera right now, so bear with me here. This stuff is so, jeez. Let's check. Unfortunately, I was forgetting an ingredient, so if you logged off a couple of minutes ago, well then, you'd be making this completely wrong. I forgot an ingredient. You're supposed to add flour, because the cornstarch is supposed to get it to like a slimy consistency, and then it's going to get like it's give it a sticky consistency, and then this is gonna make it into slime. It's dense. Slime looks so, flour looks so weird under this white of a light right here. Okay, that's it. I feel like I'm a baker. Okay, now it's time to mix. I've been doing a lot of videos today, just saying. Now it's set online, it's going to get to this consistency, so just keep playing with it. So I'm going to listen and follow directions and keep playing with it, I guess. I don't know where that sound's coming from. Is it just me or what? Now, I think I'm going to have to add a little bit more, add some water. Adding some water to it. I put water on my hands and right now mixing it in with water. All of me. Yeah, it's all of me. Cool. I have to add a little bit more self-rising flour. You don't have to have self-rising. You can have any flour, but I don't have any flour, so I use self-rising. Doesn't matter what kind of flour you use, as long as you don't bake it. So let me tell you, put this in the oven. Oh my god. Hope you have air freshener because it's gonna stink. I think, at least. Before it was let's just say too much, and now it's first it was too much cornstarch, then too much water, then too much flour. Now it's not enough flour, so yeah, it's just going on and off consistency too. So you have to have it, this kind of slime, you have to have it like the right amount. Or it just doesn't want to work with you. Like right now, I'm like right there with that perfect amount. Here we go. Ah, now this is the good stuff. It's sticky, but it's not at the same time. I want that, like, not sticky consistency, but like stretchy. Soon I'll be doing glue. Right now I've been focused on flour and cornstarch. Those are the two I've been really concerned about lately. Like, I don't really have no videos of glue, but I'm getting glue videos up soon. Soon I'll be getting Elmer's glue. And when I get some, I'm going to get like 3 or 4. I'm going to go to Dollar Tree probably in the next couple of weeks and pick up at least 5, 6 things of glue, because you know me, I've been doing a lot. I like to do slime. Slime's fun. It just makes a huge mess. And it's fun, but as soon as you see it hit the ground, it's like, no. Yeah. That's what happened. That's me. As soon as it hits the ground, I'm like, no, more mess. And now I have to wash this towel. Ah, clean up everything. Clean up the rug. Clean up the towel. Clean up everything out here. Get this out, Todd. Get that thing out of here. Yeah, I'm wondering what this is. I have that thing facing down. Eee! This is my little setup here. Got that set up. It's facing down there, so wondering about that. That's about that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some more of this, more shampoo, a little bit more shampoo. Why do they call it poo? Shampoo. It's just poo up shampoo. I don't understand. I'm gonna like cave it in and then squeeze. Here we go. And now it's not sticking to me either. It's got a really strong consistency where it doesn't stick to you, but it picks up like everything. Picks up everything, but it doesn't stick to you. And it's like in a stretchy consistency. I can like do this. I can stretch it. That's a perfect consistency. It's at like, oh my god, that sounds so nice. Is that the consistency when your dog uses the bathroom? And, well, it's like when your dog eats 30 chocolate donuts and uses the bathroom, but it's not diarrhea, but it's not solid. It's kind of like that. I know, I have a sick it like this. Sick of mine in certain ways. Oh, the Johnny's my poop! Yeah, probably like wow. Thing's huge. How can you not get water on that? My camcorder, guys, if you're wondering, is like bigger than this container right here. I'm gonna put the sign right here, remove everything. I'll figure this out in a second. So guys, the end result was, well, this right here. Stretchy, slimy. Stretchy, slimy. Ooh, it's like feels so weird. And it really doesn't stick to you at all, like just a little bit, but barely. Enough where you can easily, look at that. Look at that, look how stretchy. Do you see this, guys? Let me see what they do. Look, I did what they do on the title, on the videos. Ready? I'm gonna do the thing that they do on the videos. Look, I made the little poo shape. I made a poo shape. And it just has to be brown. I'll be like, oh, don't do that. When you're walking with anyone, you'd be like, okay, that didn't work as a weapon. I thought it would, but it didn't. Looks like ice cream now. So that's pretty much it. See you guys next time. Bye.